Greetings, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here today to talk about something we all enjoy, food. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, I'm here to help you on your culinary journey. Today, we're going to embark on a journey to build your culinary intuition and confidence. Think of it as unlocking a superpower in the kitchen. So what does culinary intuition actually mean? It's not about being born a chef. It's about developing a deep understanding of how ingredients interact and how to adjust your cooking on the fly. It's about moving beyond simply following a recipe and becoming a problem solver and a creator. Let's start with troubleshooting. Imagine you're making a cake and it sinks in the middle. What happened? Well, it could be a few things. Too much leavening agent, baking powder or soda. This causes the cake to rise too quickly and then collapse. Oven temperature too low. The cake doesn't cook through properly, leading to a sunken center. Opening the oven door too early. This releases heat and can cause the cake to deflate. Key is to observe and experiment. Next time, try reducing the baking powder slightly, checking your oven temperature with a thermometer, and resisting the urge to peak. Ow! Now let's talk about adapting recipes. This is where the fun really begins. Let's say you're making a pasta dish, but you're missing a key ingredient like fresh basil. Don't panic. Here's how to adapt. Consider substitutes. Can you use dried basil? Or perhaps a different herb like parsley or oregano. Adjust the flavor profile. If you're missing basil's freshness, add a squeeze of lemon juice or a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little zing. Embrace the unexpected. Maybe you have some sun-dried tomatoes on hand. Add them. They'll bring a new dimension of flavor. As you continue to cook and experiment, you'll start to develop your culinary intuition. You'll be able to taste a sauce and know if it needs more salt or sugar. You'll be able to look at a chicken breast and tell if it's about to be overcooked. As practice, you'll be able to do this with confidence. So don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen. Try new things, make mistakes, and learn from them. Oh, that's how we all become more intuitive cooks. So go forth, my culinary friends, and conquer the kitchen.
Yes.
And remember, it's not about being perfect.
Nice.
It's about enjoying the journey of cooking and sharing the joy of food with others. Happy cooking.